Hey there, my friends. I am Pittsburgh Pat, so please subscribe to the channel. Anyway, I have been using this Tucson 2026 Tucson SE gasoline, and I've burned about a half a tank of gas just tooling around town, and I just wanted to show you the real gas mileage is 22.4 miles per gallon. Here on the sticker, usually it has miles per gallon on here somewhere, and here it says 24 in the city and 30 on the highway, 26 combined. And that's about right. So I'm a little under that 24. I'm at 22.4 according to the gauge that's here. So yeah, just wanted to give you a little update on that. I'll talk to you guys later. I missed my hybrid. It does way better on gas mileage. Can't wait to get the hybrid limited back. But anyway, this is the SE gasoline. If you have any questions about it, let me know, because I'm probably hopefully only going to have it for a few more days, and then I have to turn it back in and get my car back. So I will talk to you soon. Take care.